Hello, welcome back to the Retenzy app demo video. In the previous video, we saw how to set up rewards on your store using the Retenzy app, as well as how it appears on your store. Now, moving forward, let's explore how you can utilize our review feature to view all reviews on the front end. Additionally, we'll provide a walkthrough on managing reviews, collecting reviews, and how our review analytics work. So let's start with the Retenzy reviews. To see the available extensions for the storefront, let's go to the branding. Here, you will see the option called Review Widgets. Once you go inside, you will see all the options that are available for the extensions are available over here. Now, here, the first one is the Review widget. To see how it looks on the front end, let's go to the product page. Here is our review extension. Here, users can write reviews and also ask questions the merchant can answer from the back end. The next is star ratings. Basically, these are the ratings of the product. Ideally, these are placed below the title of the product so the users can see the ratings as soon as they land on the product page. The third one is a global star rating widget. So basically, this is the star ratings that will be appearing on all product cards. It doesn't matter if it's on the home page or collection page. On all the pages, it will showcase the star rating on the card pages. Next one is all review page. Basically, this showcases all your product reviews on a single page. It doesn't matter which product it is, it will showcase all the reviews on a single page. Next is the review snippet. The review snippet basically highlights your best reviews in the carousel format. So this will showcase all your best possible reviews in this carousel format. The next one is a review floater. Review floater is your all reviews but in the modal format. It will show in the pop-up format and all the reviews will appear on a single pop-up. Next is customer account reviews. Basically, this will appear on the customer account page, where the user will be able to give reviews on the order page. Let's suppose that I want to give a review of this product. I will just click on the Write Review button, and a form will appear for writing a review. And here, the user will be able to give a rating according to their experience. So, these are the extensions which are available on the Retenzy review feature. Moving forward, let's see how our dashboard looks. Basically, the dashboard is a place where all the features, settings, and all the analytics on a single page. Here, you will see the basic setup that you need to do in the first step. So, you just click on the Enable button, and all the necessary extensions will be enabled. Now, let's see how you can manage the reviews. Using this dashboard, you can manage the reviews, like if you want to hide or publish any review, you can just all the things you can handle from here. Let's see one by one. First, search reviews. From here, you can search the reviews whichever you want. You will see all the options here to filter or sort. So you can sort in the status section by published or hidden, by source of the review, by rating of the review, and you can sort it by the review date. You will see all the reviews over here. You will be able to see when review has been given, what is the review content, who has given it, on which product, source of the review, customer email, the person who has given the review. Next is status. Here you will see the review is published or hidden. You will be able to hide the review by clicking on this Hide button. Let's suppose this user has given a negative review. I will just click on the Hide review and this review will be hidden. But if I want to make it live again, I will just click on the Publish and this review will get published. Also, you can just share the review by clicking on this Facebook icon. So your review will be shared on Facebook. So this is how you can hide or publish the review. Apart from this, if you want to give a reply to this review, just click on the reply and you can just enter your reply to the review and you will be able to give a reply to the review of this product. We also have a question and answer feature. Basically, here you will be able to see all the questions asked by your customers about your product, and you will be able to answer those questions from here. Question and answer is really useful if you have a product where customers have questions to ask. So using this feature, you will be able to answer those questions and clear the doubts of your customers. Then we have product groups. So product group is useful. Let's suppose you have created a new store and you have only one reviewed product, and you want to showcase the same review on all the products in same category of which it belongs. So you will be able to share that product review on the complete category. For example, if I just want to create a new group, I will just create a group, I will name it, then I will add the product. Let's suppose I add this, then create a group. Now, whenever the review is given on any of this product, it will be shared on both of the products. So this is how the product grouping works. Now, next, from here, Google and SEO. You will be able to connect your Google account to showcase the reviews on the Google search, and you will be able to adjust your SEO-related options from here. So you will be able to edit SEO-rich snippets. So here, all the settings which are available, this is useful to rank your website by having the authentic rating showcased on your Google search engine. Then here is auto-publish setting. This is important because let's suppose you don't want to auto-publish the negative reviews. So let's suppose I will set up 3-star and above. That means this review given below 3-star will not be auto-published. You will have to publish it manually. If I select all review, that means all review including 1-star review will be published automatically. Then we have import review option. In the import review, you will be able to import your CSV file in the add review button, and then you will be able to upload that CSV file here. By using that, you will be able to upload your reviews over here in a single go. Apart from this, if you have come through one of these apps, you will be able to just directly import those CSV file here, and you will be able to migrate review from those apps in our Retenzy app. So, this is how our import review feature works. This helps you to import and publish bulk reviews in one click, and as well as migrate from other apps easily. Now let's see how you can collect the reviews. Now in Collect Review, you will see 3 tabs: Collect Reviews, Review Request, and Review Reminder. Let's see how Collect Review will help you. In the Collect Review, you will see that people have placed the order on your store. You will be able to see the customer email, how much amount he has given the order, then the discount, date, order status, email status, review status, and the send email section. So let's suppose if you want to email this person to request a review, you have 2 options to send the email. First, the button in front of that email you just have to click on the Send Mail button, and once you send it, the email will be sent. Now, other option is you just click on this checkbox, and you will see one more button called Send Email. This checkbox will be helpful if you want to send bulk emails to customers. So using this, you will be able to email a bulk of customers. So this email process will run in the background. Now, apart from this, once you send the email, you will see all the status of the email over here. For example, the mail is sent recently will be marked as delivered. But as soon as this person opens the mail, it will change to opened. And if suppose the user has given the review status will change not review to reviewed. So this is how you will get to know if user has received the mail and has given the review by using your mail. This is helpful to analyze if your email campaign is working really well or not. If not working, you just change the content of the email to try out different methods and get more reviews. Now this was manual process. To automate this process, we have review request feature. Basically, this is an automation setup. In this, you will see option to send an email. You have to choose after how many days you want to send the mail. So you have option from 1 day to 15 days. If you want not to send, you just click on the Do Not Send. Otherwise, you have option from 1 day to 15 days. If I select 7 days, you have to select one more condition, which is after which action it should be sent. So you have 2 options over here, fulfillment and delivery. We suggest always select the fulfillment because this status we always receive from Shopify, unlike delivery status. Now this means the automatic mail will be sent 7 days after the fulfillment of the order. So the user will receive the review request email after 7 days of the fulfillment. Now we have one more option that is review reminder. Now let's suppose after the review request, user has not given the review, and if you want to send them reminder mail to ask the review, we have automation for that also. So you just have to select after how many days of the review request you can send the mail. Let's suppose 7 days. That means if the user has not given review even after sending the review request mail, after 7 days, another mail will be sent to that person. And again, even after that mail review is not given, another mail will be sent. So that means 2 reminder email will be sent to the user in this option. Now we have seen how you can manage the reviews, how you can collect the reviews, how reviews you can showcase on the front end, and how many ways you can collect the reviews on the front end. After this, we come in the analytics, which will be helpful to analyze if your reviews campaigns are working or how people are giving reviews on your product. So you will see how many reviews are collected, what is the average rating, the review rating breakdown, that means how many 5-star, how many 4-star ratings you have got, then source of the reviews, like which is the best sources working for you, like from the store, from the email. So you will get to know from here. You will also get to know which is the top reviewed product and which is the top rated product. Also, email analytics. In the email analytics, you will get to see how many review request mails have been sent to the user, and out of which, from this mail, how converted into actual review. So you will get to know all these things in the analytics. So this was our Retenzy review feature walkthrough. Let us know if you have any question. Thank you.